Project management is a fast-growing career worldwide because it adds incredible value to businesses and organizations by driving change. If you have the skills, knowledge, and passion for project management and are ready to dive in, you might be wondering, where do I start? How do I break into the field of project management? In today's video, I will guide you through 5 steps to kickstart your career in project management. Let's get started. Step 1. Choose a field for project management. Every industry has project management roles because all companies and organizations need projects to drive change. Whether it's developing new products, launching new services, upgrading internal systems, or cost-saving measures, all these changes are achieved through projects. So, the first step is to identify a field that you're willing to immerse yourself in. Project management is not something that you can master overnight. To enter or transition into this field, you must acquire a lot of new knowledge, and becoming a project manager means facing endless challenges. I'm not kidding, our job is to handle problems. If you don't have a passion for this field, you won't be able to stick with it. So, don't skip this step. For example, if you dislike the automotive industry or become a project manager there just for a paycheck, trust me, you won't last long or be happy. Other positions might allow for this, but not project management. Step 2. Research the job market in your target industry. After identifying your preferred fields and industry, the next step is to research project management and related positions within that industry. This will help you understand what knowledge, skills, certifications, and experiences are required for a project manager in that field. By identifying these requirements, you can pinpoint any gaps in your current qualifications and work to address them. Look into various positions such as project coordinator, project assistant, project manager, and project director. Each of these roles will have different requirements and responsibilities. The PM transition roadmap that I recently created provides a clear guide on how to choose positions based on your project experience. You can download a free copy at the link in the description. Additionally, if you are a recent graduate or transitioning from a different field, you might not be able to secure a project management position right away. In such cases, consider other roles within the industry that can provide you with the necessary project management knowledge and skills such as communication techniques and budget management. Positions that allow you to gain experience in these areas will serve as valuable stepping stones. In these roles, accumulate experience and take every opportunity to participate in or lead projects. This proactive approach will eventually build your credentials and prepare you for a project management role. Step 3. Accumulate knowledge and experience. To successfully transition into project management, you need to build a solid foundation in domain-specific knowledge, project management knowledge, and hands-on project management experience. Domain knowledge is best gained through actual work experience in your chosen field. Regardless of your current position, strive to absorb as much information as possible about the industry and its practices. While theoretically, project managers only need to be proficient in project management skills and techniques, having a strong understanding of the technical aspects of a domain gives you a solid foundation. This knowledge facilitates smoother communication with other departments and makes your project management journey more effective. When it comes to project management knowledge, many people think of certification. Certifications such as PMP, Project Management Professional, or CPM Certified Associate in Project Management are valuable but not mandatory. If you have extensive project experience, hiring companies may not require certification. However, if you lack experience, obtaining a certification demonstrates your commitment to transitioning into project management and provides you with a structured understanding of professional project management. Beyond certifications, it's crucial to learn and refine your skills from real-world work. Book knowledge is one thing, but actual practice often differs. Experience is more important than knowledge in project management. Before securing a formal project management role, get involved in as many projects as possible within your current positions. Seek out opportunities to participate in or lead projects. Regardless of your job title, this practical experience is invaluable and will help you build the necessary skills and confidence. This was mentioned earlier, so I won't elaborate further. By focusing on these 3 areas, domain knowledge, project management knowledge, and practical experience, you'll be well prepared to transition into a project management role and succeed in your new career path. Step 4. Tailor your resume for each job application. Applying for jobs isn't just about sending out as many resumes as possible. I advocate for a selective approach, tailoring your resume for each job based on the company, position, and the job description. I believe quality trumps quantity. This is particularly important for those of us transitioning into project management. We need to demonstrate to potential employers that our career change is not impulsive, but driven by sincerity and capacity. There are 3 parts at this stage. Number 1, customize your resume. For each job application, carefully modify your resume to highlight relevant skills and experiences that match the job description. Emphasize your project management knowledge, domain expertise, and any project-related experience. Show how your previous roles have prepared you for this new path in project management. If you are interested in more detailed advice on how to customize your resume, feel free to leave a comment below or send me an email. You can find my email in the description. Number 2, identify and adjust gaps. As you tailor your resume, continue to identify and adjust any gaps in your qualifications and skills related to this job description. Use this as an opportunity to further develop the necessary skills and gain additional experience. This ongoing self-improvement will make you a more competitive candidate. Number 3, maintain a positive mindset. Job applications, especially when transitioning to a new field, can take a long time. It's crucial to maintain a positive and patient mindset throughout the process. I personally experienced a difficult year-long wait, so I understand how challenging it can be. By strategically tailoring your resume and continuously improving your skills, you can increase your chances of successfully transitioning into project management. Stay focused and persistent, and remember that each tailored application brings you closer to your goal. Step 5. Prepare thoroughly and ace the interview to secure the offer. Reaching this step means that your resume and experience have impressed your target company. Now, it's time for at least 3 rounds of interviews. The stage is set for you to shine and secure the offer. Thorough preparation is crucial at this stage. In particular, there are 3 things you should prepare. Number 1, research the company and role. Gain an in-depth understanding of the company's background, history, products, and services. Know the responsibilities and tasks associated with the position you are applying for. Having some personal insights or opinions about the company and role can set you apart. Effective networking can also provide valuable information and insights. Number 2, conduct post-interview reviews. After each interview, take the time to reflect on the questions asked, your responses, and the interviewer's reactions. This practice helps you learn and improve for future interviews. Identify areas where you can enhance your answers or better demonstrate your skills. Number 3, prepare case studies. One of the most critical components of project management interviews is presenting case studies. Prepare 3 to 5 case studies that cover various project stages, potential issues or risks, and scenarios mentioned in the job description. These case studies should showcase your problem-solving abilities, project management skills, and how you handle real-world situations. By thoroughly researching, reflecting on your performance, and preparing comprehensive case studies, you can increase your chances of succeeding in the interviews and securing the offer. Stay confident and make the most of this opportunity to showcase your skills and readiness for a project management role. These are the 5 steps to start a career in project management. Everyone's journey is unique, so the time it takes to land your first project management job can vary. Thanks for watching. Like I mentioned earlier, I created a PM transition roadmap which covers these 5 steps at a high level, the typical hierarchy of project management roles, and some common certifications in the field. Please feel free to download a free copy at the link in the description. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you will never miss an update. Join our community of aspiring project managers and get access to exclusive resources, tips, and support. Let's get started on your project management journey together. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next video.